Good.
So good with this.
Huh?
You know, when I was in high school, can I tell you how many flat tires I had? I used to check all the time. I should be a professional at this.
Change them all the time?
No. Someone always came to my rescue.
And then what happened here? Hold on. Wait, now when you do this kind of, oh, you're good.
Did I take the hubcap off? No, I can take it off, right?
Yeah. Wow. Now you're gonna put it back in the trunk. I'll put it in the trunk. It'll get your clothes dirty. Don't do that. Now take the other one. Perfect. And remember, do this slowly because you don't want to push the car too much and push it off the jack. Good.
I think does it need to be higher?
Yeah, sometimes.
So
But no, you know, you just lift the wheel up into the spots.
no, because the nails are cut.
You lift the... Here. Okay.
Alright, sit on backwards.
Okay, what you do is this. Yeah, this one's kind of tricky. What you do, you can figure out how the hole will kind of fit in.
So I think the jack needs to be higher.
Yeah. Or...
Yeah, jack needs to be higher.
Yeah, go. Okay. But now, hold on, before you do it, hold on. You don't bust your car. Let's just put this back.
Tell me when.
Now please do this carefully because you don't have any support.
Ow.
Yeah, exactly. Go, 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 go. There you go. 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 That's it. This is pretty impressive. All right, now. Here, let me do that. No, you're good. It's yeah, you're there. Yes, perfect. Perfect. Yeah, beautiful. There you go.
Got it.
Sweet. Hold on. Put it in. All right, now. Yep. Wow. Impressive. I'll buy you a beer and that for this. Very impressive. I've never seen a girl change a tire. Pretty hot. Sort of. Kind of. Actually, not really. It's not hot.
Practice makes perfect.
Right. Surprising, it's only been 3.5 minutes, you know that?
Huh?
It hasn't been that long.
You're bitching the whole time.
No, 3 minutes.
Taking way too long. I'm having a good time. I don't know about you. So this is the hard part for me.
You tighten it as much as you can, all of them, right?
Sorry.
And tighten the other one. Don't tighten it all the way. Tighten the other one, the bottom. Like no, the other side, yep. No, bottom. One more down. Yeah.
Why?
You try to do them at an angle so that it just fits in easier. They all get pretty tight in. And now whatever.
It's alcohol now.
That's fine. No, we'll do the same, the foot trick later on all of them. If they're all tight, make sure that...
Tight now.
Okay, perfect. Now do the stand-up foot thing. Yeah, right there. Go ahead. Tighten it up.
So how much do I go?
Oh, huh?
How far do I go?
I would probably take the jack off first of all.
Oh. I know how to do that. Ouch.
Look at his muscles. Good work, Steven. You may never see this video.
Who?
Steven.
Who?
Steven?
Who's Steven?
Krista's boyfriend?
Oh.
Yeah. I'm sure now you can just take it out or hand screw it. Good. Alright, tighten it up.
How much?
Just one. That's good.
That's good?
Yeah. I'll stand on to give it a little more if you want.
A little more?
A little more. A little for the homies. Yeah, that's it. People like I'm so chivalrous here. Sweet victory. Hold on. Now I'm gonna.